it's your favorite YouTuber Gastra, and welcome to the 4th Dark Sanctuary Devlog. So let's get into it. What do we do? What do we do? We've got UI. We should add more to the UI scene. Let's go to project settings, auto load. Oh, we've already got a script called initialize. Export var coins thing equals 0. So now we've got coins. Then we'll go back to our UI scene, get a label, and we don't need to actually put anything in here. Right now, but for now, let's type in UWR, and let's put in font size 90. Next, alright, I just got a coin sprite into the game, the dark coin. I've actually got way more project, for example, Mana Puzzle, which is where I actually made this. It was originally for Mana Puzzle, but I realized I could also use it for Dark Sanctuary, so win-win. Why is there darkness.png? Oh, right, that's for way later in the development process. For like the 4th plane. UWR. Coin label. Funk. Game. So we don't need health threshold. Text equals initialize.health. Alright, we need to string that. We need to string that, and then why do we have 6 coins? Alright. That's health. So then we gotta move that up a little. Move it down a little. Move it up again. Yep, we've got 0 coins. We should move both of these upward just a little bit. Why are they both? So we've got this now. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. Oh, great. It's broken. No, stop it. to 0 pixels. Come on. Yes. Stop pressing that button, Gastra. More ooer. We're getting close. We're getting close. Move that again. Stop pressing that button, Gastra. All right. We've got coins. We've got coins in the game. Kind of. I mean, it stays at 0 and doesn't do anything, but look, there's coins now. We've got coins. I guess I could move these up a little. Up and to the right. In a rock. Yep, that looks much better. Move it this way a little. First, though. And then add metadata. Why is this a thing? What is a vector 2i? Export var health. So it's got 0 health now. But it's unrealistic, so let's put it to free. How do we... Now, before we go to state management... Well, like ChatGPT wrote this code, not me. If... To the tree me, let's add to the tree me an area 2D and a collision shape 2D. What? And a collision shape 2D. What? What? Area 2D, copy, paste. So now we've got two. So right above state management. No. So we're gonna add a body entered. Is get bot is get groups. If we get the groups, right? Let's just work get groups. If str get groups. If we print, what if we print? Oh, I forgot. Now, to the bullet, we have to add a new group. Weapon. The weapon group. Weapon. So, dum de dum dum. Ow, I know. Oh my, this is confusing. Help, I'm confused. Why are there so many treemies? But we see that we've got this thing. Now, if stir of get groups equals this. Oh, and just note that we have to put backslashes in. Wrong slashes. We have to put backslashes in so that so if we backslash these, it'll ignore these quotes. And if this is true, then health minus equals 1. If health is equal to 0, then key. How do you spell Q free? Q free. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting to put the colons. So, let's see if it works. Die! Oh. Print health. So now let's make it so it prints the health so we actually know what's going on. Why do I keep pressing that button? So, then, we need to press play. It's not taking damage. We're doing... these are the backslashes. Do I put a backslash after? Are these the slashes? Godot backslashes. Yeah, no. Just print string of get groups. I feel like I missed something. Enemy. And there's an and. There's an and. Are you taking damage? Die, 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 die. No, die. I'm killing it. Print health. Yep, we're debugging. This is called debugging. We want to print health now. it's supposed to be bullets. Oh, not enemy. Oh. Tree me should be killable. Die, 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 die. Oh, it's weapon. Weapon. This is going through so many changes. I forgot it was weapon. That's on me. Weapon! But it's my weapon! Why isn't my weapon working? Ah! Let's check in the console. I am so confused. Wait, I think I know what's happening. Bullets? Oh. Oh. Now it makes sense. So instead, this Area 2D actually has to detect area entered. It actually has to detect area entered. Now we disconnect this. Control X, which copies and deletes. Prints. Come on. You're gonna work, you're gonna work. I changed to. How? But it's colliding with the bullets. Why does that look like a music note? You're colliding with the bullets. But you're colliding with the bullets. Okay, to figure out what the problem is, I have to give myself God mode. So now I've got 60,000 health. No, this isn't official. I'm just doing this for playtest. Why does it say enemy? Well, is an area 2D with tag weapon. Copy. Did I spell weapon wrong? Weapon. I'm confused. What the flip? You guys have the same collision layer. I mean, I don't think body entered is gonna work because it's an area, but I can try. I have God mode. Stop saying game over. Enemies! Enemy! Die, die, die! Wait, hold on. It's not really going to be static, but if I place a static body 2D and then get rid of this area 2D and disconnect the area entered signal, this is a weird way of doing it. Do not try this in your Godot script, okay? I'm just trying to figure out weird ways for these to work because the normal way won't work. Oh god. I'm pushing the enemies! I'm pushing the enemies and it's pushing me! That is weird. What if I do like, okay, no, Polygon 2D doesn't help. Raycast, remote transform, tile map, sprite 2D. I could do a rigid body 2D. I could try, but I don't think this is gonna work. I can just make the mass 1,000 kilograms. Gravity scale is 0. So now I don't think this is supposed to work. Oh, why is it pushing me back so far? What? Oh, what the flippy flip? Die? What is going on? It's like it's staying still. I can just draw a polygon. No, Control Y, bring it back. If this doesn't work, I don't know what will. We've got a Polygon 2D, whatever the heck that is. This is off to a bad start. Die! Actually, if I make it smaller, then, oh gosh, this is gonna be weird. I can make it so if any area is entered, take damage. This is not a good solution, okay? Please do not do this in your Godot project. I am just doing this so that this works. This is not an efficient way. Where if I put in a rectangle shape, 1 and 1, I can go to menu and this is not a good idea. It's working! Not in a very good way, which is making me scared. But it is working. It is working. It is. So now we have to copy this code and copy this over into the drowned skeleton. Oh, this already has. Now I can add an area entered signal. And so the drowned skeleton should be killable too, though I still need to add the health variable. Export var health. Let's make the drowned skeleton a little stronger at a 5. Let's do 5. So the enemies are now killable. Dark Sanctuary, episode 4, and we finally allow the enemies to be killable. Die! I killed it! Now, I can kill this, too. I can actually kill things now. I hate what is I hate this? What is I hate this? I don't get it. I can change this back to normal health. And I'm going to make it so you can have coins in the game. We can add a static body 2D. And within this static body 2D will be a sprite 2D, which will give a texture of, once again, the dark coin. We've gotten. Let's save it as coin. Collision shape 2D, circle shape. And now let's add coin.gd. But let's actually add an area 2D with this. Then we'll make it so that when a body is entered, we are going to take this code from the tree meat or the player. What is collider? P-Funk. Godot is lagging. Oh, we got it. Collision done. Okay, I just realized I don't think coins are necessary for the game. I've decided I don't think having pickable up coins are going to be necessary for the game. I might re-add them in a future devlog, but for now I'm gonna just skip them. So now we're gonna add the initialize auto load. Where is the initialize auto load? I'll go to, no, not drowned skeleton, player.gd, and then initialize dot health minus equals 1. So I'll go to drowned skeleton, and the drowned skeleton will give you 2 coins. And then I'll add the treemy. Actually, rand int rand what is rand f? Godot random number generator. No, we are not adding an entire node just for that. No, that seems wasteful on resources. No, this is not laziness. This is efficiency. Because optimizing this game is going to be a nightmare, I'll be honest. So, I don't want to make the game too laggy now. And now we should get coins whenever we kill an enemy. Oh, we're getting coins whenever we hit an enemy. I mean, it's all I did was miss something. So now we should get coins when we kill the enemy. The Forgotten Plane. So, kill. Why do we have so many coins? Let me rewind the footage. Why am I saying the footage? This is not a YouTube video. Well, it is a YouTube video, but why does his leg just stay still? Why did I get coins? Oh, these guys. I didn't do it to these guys. Why are you... We did it! We added coins and the ability to kill enemies to the game. I guess I should make the bullet look a little better. I know we did that last episode. So, why won't you go down to 19? Oh, it's negative 19. I'm just smoothing it out a little. And yes, I know I said about optimization, okay? I'll fix that. Visibility, layout. Now, if I rotate this, negative 14, 19. No, it's 21. The bullets aren't that bad. Now it's very subtle, but as you can see, it's not that sharp. Well, it is sharp, but still, it looks slightly better, I think. What? Look at that! We're playing. And we'll do one more thing. What? I accidentally opened OneNote again. Why does this happen every time? We're gonna do... What's the last thing we're gonna add? But we're not actually adding anything. I just want to show you something I made. So, this is what I'm showing you. Alright, so this is a game that I have. This is Mana Puzzle. Yes, I've been working on this game without telling you. And this is the game. I only have 4 levels so far. This is the second. This is the third. These are rune traps that will reset the level when you touch them. So don't touch them. And this is the final level. Ah, dang it! And this is level 5. Yes, we do actually have a level 5, but the box is broken, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.